Okay, this is going to be a very crude demo. Forgive my screen sharing software. As you can see here, I have a little lab environment with my beverage cup. I've got a server here. I've got a sound meter. I've got a power meter, and I have a Geiger counter just for good measure, because you never know when some radioactive server is really the issue of your bugs. And this is all connected to a little LAN here. Just move this so you can see what's going on. I will post a screen recording of this if you want. Basically, we have a version of MGMT over here. I built it. This is not in Git Master yet, but it is potentially coming soon. And just to show you the code that's going on here, I'll just show you a little bit of this code. You can see that we have this Redfish endpoint, and we have some streams here: power state, bias attribute just for fun, a general health state, and the amount of power being drawn. So we're going to just run this and print all these values into a file down here at the bottom. And I'll just run this here. So MGMT is here running on the left, and you can see over here this starts up, and you can see that the server is seen as on, and make that a little bit bigger for you. And in the background, I'll just move this over here. This is the actual ILO console from the server, and you can see I have it in a little refresh mode. It only refreshes every 10 seconds. That's how the power management works. And down here at the bottom, you can see the actual power reading, which should match our value, which it does. Just make this a little bit smaller. And over here, I'm logged onto the server. And if we want to get the sound meter going, we can just run the yes command, and you'll hear some noise. And you can see this spike. Just kill that so my neighbors don't hate me so much. You can see the power reading over here, power reading over here. We do get actually slightly better values from MGMT than from the actual console. So you see it spiked up at 199, dropping that back down to around 83, which I would like to say matches the power meter. It's not exactly accurate, but it is roughly accurate in most situations. And these are the values coming from the server. And there you have it. Just another stream available in MGMT. If you are interested, please reach out. We have an open source company that we do all sorts of consulting and other fun things, m9rx.com, and hopefully we can build something interesting for you. Thank you.